Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the difference between Sculptra and dermal fillers. We get this question all the time in our practice. And so today we're going to do a deep dive into the difference so that you can make a more informed decision as to what would be best for you and overall have the best youthful appearance that you could possibly get. Dermal fillers, such as Juvederm Ultra XC, Volbella, Voluma, Ultra Plus, and then Revenice, which is I love for the lips. This is the Allergan's brand of fillers. Now there's other types of fillers out there, like Restylane makes Contour, Define, Silk, Refine. Those are great fillers as well. I use kind of a combination of both, just depending on what the patient is looking for. Now, dermal fillers are made of hyaluronic acid, and what it does is it provides immediate volume in the area that you're injecting. This is really great for somebody that wants immediate results. Now, dermal fillers last, depending on the manufacturer, between 6 months to 1 year. Again, it depends on the viscosity of the filler as well. Now, like for instance, the Ultra XC versus the Voluma. Now, this Voluma is higher viscosity, so it has more of a lift, provides more structure. I like to use this one in the cheeks and mid-face. You could also use it on the chin. For the Volbella, it has less affinity to water, meaning that you're not going to swell as much. So I like to use this one around the vertical lip lines on the older women that have these vertical lip lines that may be smokers or may just naturally just have lots of creases. That does cause a lot of aging, like makes you look a little bit older than what you might be. So using this type of filler in the upper lip region and around the mouth will really help soften that look and help kind of reverse the signs of aging, if that makes sense. You can also use it up in here in your cheeks towards your eye, because it swells less affinity to water. It's not as viscous. Now, I really like to use this Revenice lips for all of my lip patients. This is my most favorite thing. It provides the structure, it provides the fill that you're wanting, as well as it's so soft. You can't even feel it in your lips. Immediate results, patients love it. These types of fillers, the Juvederm products, usually last around 6 months to a year. The Voluma and Volbella last a little bit longer, more on that year mark. Yes, it is expensive, around $6.50 per syringe, and most people that they want their cheeks, it can cost, usually you need 1 syringe on each side, usually more. Yes, it is a lot up front, but again, it does last a long time. So that kind of, if you divide it out by 12, it makes it more affordable. Now let's talk about Sculptra. Sculptra comes in a little vial like this, and it has some white powder in it. We reconstitute this with sterile water and a little bit of lidocaine to help with the numbing, because it can kind of be uncomfortable. Now, that little bit of powder is poly-L-lactic acid, and what that does is it stimulates collagen and growth factors. You inject it into your face in a certain pattern to help regenerate that collagen that we lose over time. It also helps with skin elasticity. It provides volume, but not as instantaneous as the dermal fillers do. This volume that it can create, it can fill in. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks for your body to start regenerating collagen and provide that structure to help hold up your face, if that makes sense. This type of product lasts for 2+ years. Again, it creates natural and gradual rejuvenation. It improves skin texture. It helps with overall facial hollowing and helps restore volume to your face. A lot of people have results that last longer than 2 years. We do recommend, depending on how much volume loss you have, usually people need at least 1 vial on each side of their face to start, and some people might need more, but we do that in a process of every 6 weeks. Then once you get to where you're at and what you really like, let's say you're 4 vials in and it's taken about 3 to 4 months to get there, then we recommend doing 1 vial each year just to help maintain your results.